What's up, everybody? Tim from livecasebreak.com. Got another single box break action here for DK. Single box, 2013 Bowman draft. Just did want to get a Colin Moran auto, so we'll see if we can do better. Yeah, Dustin was asking if he could have it. That's fine if you're making the set or something. I just figured I'd ask. Oh, excuse me. Here's the empty box. Okay, Bowman draft. Oh, Lenny, you can ask me, and I can tell you. I don't have them uploaded to the store like we used to before. I will eventually, we just haven't had time since the launch. Some orange? Ah, orange paper. But, Lenny, let me give you the rundown, brother. We have Bowman Draft, Tribute WBC. I have one box of 2014 Tribute that has been sitting on the shelves literally for 2 months. I have 2010 Bowman Platinum. I have Leaf Trinity. Lots of Leaf Trinity. I have lots of Leaf Memories. I have lots of 11 Bowman Chrome. And I have quite a bit of 2013 Bowman Sterling. And that's it for single boxes. You need a price on anything, just ask me and I'll let you know. Paper blue in there. Reyes is all yours. Okay. Got a gold refractor. Some gold coming. Gold, gold, gold. Sounds good, Tanner. No problem, man. I'll grab some fresh boxes for you guys. You got a redemption here. Redemption for your auto. And a gold in the same box. We shall see. Well, hopefully you're rewarded, man. Let me put this gold on the bottom, too. Unless you want me to show them immediately. Up to you. Alright, Bowman Draft. Here we go. You got some orange blue paper, too. Drafts are 85, Lenny. So I would owe you $250 if you converted that to a box of draft. Springer refractor for the Stros, nice card. I think the only redemptions are Puig, Gray, and Meadows, right? Are there other redemptions? Jordan Austin out of $250 for the Red Sox. Warren Sears for the Braves, and Carnes Chrome. Yeah, we've had a couple John Grays. I think the Puig's redemptions are only the base, right? The coloreds are live. Is that what it is? Phil Irvin refractor for the Reds. And a Zomiak for the Tigers. Has Williams been hitting really well? Nice. Haven't been paying attention this year. Been too sidetracked. Kendall Coleman, refractor. Paper blue, Paulino. Refractor of Miles Williams. Yeah, Lenny, if you need any other prices on boxes, just ask me and I'll let you know, bud. We've got a Gonsalves Chrome, Fegley. Garrett Cole, blue, nice card. Blue paper rookie, 378 out of 500. Oh, Justin Williams is a redemption. Reese McGuire has redemptions too, okay. Yeah, I was going to say he's both, yep. Okay, leave a base card there. Alright, here we go. Getting down there quick. DJ Peterson Chrome. Refractor Juan Avila for the Fish. Ozuna and Tucker and base. Just gonna do a box of draft, Lenny? Okay, cool. Awesome, man. Sounds good to me. Here we go. The gold for DK first. Oscar Mercado. Not Oscar Taveras. Gold Mercado. 25 out of 50 on the Mercado. And the redemption. Bowman Chrome Prospect Auto Refractor of Austin Meadows. There you go, DK. Nice. Pretty decent box there. Mercado Gold and a Meadows Refractor Redemption. Alright, good stuff. Slap these on the top of your pile here. And I got Tanner up next for box of draft. And then Lenny's going to take one too. I'll grab a couple more draft boxes for you guys. Grab 5 off the rack here. Yeah, what I got? 3 there? Yeah. Big ones or small? Just the small ones. The big ones are jumbos. 20 cases up there. Okay. I have jumbos too. If you guys want to convert these to jumbos. What do you guys want to do? Alright, Tanner, you're all checked out. Lenny, you're up next after Tanner. So Tanner, go ahead and pick 1 through 4, 1 on the top, 2, 3, 4. Anybody else wants single boxes, just let me know, guys. I'll pick you guys up. Yes, you did, DK. Started it. Okay. Alright, Lenny, you're up first then, buddy. So, Lenny, you're up first. Tanner's going to make something to eat, so he's going to be skipped for now. So, Lenny, go ahead and give me a number, buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you wanted to convert that into a jumbo, I can get you a price for that. A little better value. You get 3 autos that way. So, yeah. You want me to pick? Oh, I hate that. I hate being responsible. Okay, Lenny, I'm going to take the top box. I'll go with number 1. Number 1, right on top. Hopefully it's not a stinker for you, man. I did hear that. I'm a little worried about it, to be honest, Nate. I have a bad feeling they're going to water the checklist down. Like a horrible product. Hopefully they don't. Chad, are you still in the room, buddy? I have a payment for museum from you if you want to convert that to something. I don't know if you're still in here or not. Alright, Lenny, good luck. And then we got Tanner up next. Tanner, you said you wanted 2, so that would be the top box. So you can let me know if that changes after you get your food down. Yeah, it makes me very worried. Very worried. Some die cut action in there, Lenny. Yeah, definitely. Well, usually when they jam a product like that full of more autos, it's a bad sign. Because they're worried about it selling with the current checklist, so I don't know. Could be rough, we'll see. And a name tag going here. Alright, Lenny, good luck, man. Left-hand side first. The refractor of Corns. Andre Jones Sapphire. Jock Peterson Refractor. The Mini Future Franchise, Addison Russell. Tom Wendell Refractor for the Dodgers. And Austin Wilson, Seattle. Yeah. Mystery Redemptions 1 through 12, exactly. Yep. Renfroe, Machado, Arcia, Meisner for the Mets, Refractor. And a Murphy. Nothing yet, Lenny. Giordano Ventura Refractor. He is definitely coming on strong right now. There's your auto, nice. Cole Stewart for the Twins. Solid base auto. So Cole Stewart, nice bold auto too, not streaky at all. A couple of his autos have had streaks up on the top of the T's. Nice ink right there for you. Cole Stewart, Minnesota Twins. Future ace, right, Nate? Let's see what the rest of the box. Tyler Austin Refractor. Shipley and Jeanette. Your die cut is Flores Breakouts for the Giants. Unnumbered version too, Kendry Flores. Thought it was the numbered version for you, but no. Card stuck there, just want to make sure it wasn't auto. Silver Ice Brad Miller. A nice Jose Fernandez Refractor. A couple nice refractors you got. Paper Blue Miles Williams for the Fish out of 500. And last little stack right here. Oh, look at that. Hiding in there, a little purple ice action. Get rid of your other three base. Move these out of the way. Purple ice. Alright, let's see who you got, man. Purple ice, numbered to 10. 10 of 10 to be exact. Here you go, brother. No whammy, no whammy. Let me get it to focus before we show. Okay, no whammy, no whammy, no whammy. Oh my god, I thought it was Tavares for a minute. Oscar Mercado, purple ice. 10 out of 10. Or cracked ice, whatever you want to call it. Cracked ice purple. Purple ice. Ice of the purple persuasion. Whatever works. 10 of 10 on that for you, Lenny. And again, Mercado for the Cardinals. Nice little bonus, man. Beautiful centering on that, too. Great ability, very high. I don't know how well Mercado sells. There you go. Yep. Okay, Tanner, which one do you want? You still want the top box, or are you going to switch it up? This is the one you had picked. Just let me know if you want to switch it up. Anybody else for single boxes, guys? I'd like to get your orders in now so we can keep rolling. Anybody else want a draft box? Tribute WBC, Tribute, Sterling, Platinum, got all sorts of stuff. Have a good night, DK. Thanks, man. See you next time. Yeah, awesome Tavares to 10, yep. You know, I think I'm going to start a page on the website called LCB Lore. Break down all the funny stuff that's happened. Alright, Tanner going with the top. He's feeling some Puig mojo. Good luck, Tanner. Anybody else for single boxes, please let me know now so we can keep the ball rolling. I can get your payment in while we're doing this one. Empty box. Here, I'll set it up on Display Mojo for you. If it wants to do that for me. It doesn't want to. There we go. There you go. There's your little hobby box display. Yeah, every time something legendary or funny happens. Like the story of the Babe Ruth bat knob has to go on there. How Larry almost traded the #1 pick because he didn't want to take Ruth. He's only banned you once, right? Actually, we've never banned you, we just kicked you out a couple times. Oh, definitely Larry cutting up the wrong card. For sure. Yes. That was absolutely hilarious. He cuts the card and then it was the customers. Dude, the search for Puig continues. Still no Puigs. I mean, like I said, I don't even know how many cases of draft we busted now. Alright, Tanner, I didn't see any color in here. It's a sapphire blue, I think I saw. That was me. Yeah, that was me. I offered to sell the Red Sox that night. That wasn't Larry. Yeah. Yeah, I would have been sick if I had actually sold. Well, I wouldn't have been sick. It would have been an awesome pull for a customer, but still, the thought of giving away that card would have been brutal. All right, here we go, man. Good luck. Tanner, Anderson Refractor to start. Almora and Odom. Oh! Ooh, ew, ew. Somyak. Whammy Auto. Horrible centering. That is not a good omen for the rest of the box, man. Sorry. Kevin Zomyak. Blue ink. Whammy centering. I think if you sent that in for grading, it would get rejected. Look how skinny that left side is. Tough one for you, Tanner. Tough one. Alright. Let's see if the rest of the box rewards you, man. Clarkin Refractor. Russell Chrome. Future Franchise Zunino Mini. Oh, nice card, man. See, they gave you a whammy auto, and then they gave you a sick George Springer black. Out of 35. 16 out of 35 black chrome. That is a nice card. I know. Hey, it's not like we tried to price gouge the Red Sox or anything, though. We offered them fair and square what they were priced at. Nobody, I don't even think anybody made an offer that night, Nate, if I remember correctly. Sweet card, though, Tanner. George Springer, beautiful centering on that. Charcoal or black, whatever you want to call it. 16 out of 35. Sweet card. Makes up for the Zomyak auto. Max Fried Refractor. Let's see what else we got here. That's why I didn't see any color in there, because that charcoal was hiding. Ooh, nice Puig Silver Ice, man. Nice card. Couple nice parallels now to go with that auto. Sealed Puig, little Silver Ice. Pretty bad on the centering on that too, but it's a parallel. It'll sell either way, man. Okay, we got a Refractor. Syndergaard for the Mets. Crawford, Almonte. Sandberg and Ott. Orange is Mason Williams. Tyler Wade. 54 out of 250 for the Yankees. Yeah, I think that's what it was. I just don't think anybody believed the Xander was actually in there. Everybody thought it was, but nobody believed it was actually in our stuff. They figured it was in a warehouse somewhere with a single box, like sitting at blowout or something. Okay, Robbie Cano. Austin Meadows Refractor. Drake Britton Blue. 193 out of 500, Boston. Paper blue. Nice Profar Refractor, some paper. And your last stack. Let's see if you got anything bonus hiding in here. Ventura Chrome. Tyler Austin. Arenado Refractor. I tell you, you got a lot of refractors. Decent players too, like a buck or two. Arenado. Castellanos Future Franchise. Blair and Gray. Breakout to Pell and Gray. And Colton Wong. That's it. Alright. Decent box for you, man. That Springer is nice. Zomiak, not so nice. Springer, very nice. Get your name down on that. Alright guys, last call. Anybody else want a single box of action? You need the list of product I have, just ask me. Lenny, don't let me forget I owe you $2 for that draft exchange. Give it like another minute or two, guys. Call her and even if nobody else wants anything.
Yeah, I think after we're done with these, low down, instead of our differences, we'll back to 9.
Okay.
So I mean, those ones take like 45 minutes for those.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember none of the paper go in these 3 stacks, so it's much less.
And it's going to take the announcement considering half of it's ours.
If I'm not here in the morning, make sure you listen to the door for FedEx.
Okay.
They should be here between. Do you have class?
Yeah.
What time?
11 to 12.
All right, I'll make sure I'm here then. They're supposed to be here between 11 and 1. Yeah, 200 points will be $2, I believe. Save this video.